So this video is not about trading at all. This is about how I made. Let's see. Oh shit, this is gonna be hard to show you. Oh, I could just do it like this. All right, as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see this. We got 3,500. We got another 2,300 a day, another $1,300 a day, another 3,200 a day, and then 4,500. You want to see the dates? Can't. I don't want to because the card number kind of appears on here, so can't do card numbers or anything like that. So I gotta make sure this is good. Okay, cool. Alrighty, so this says September. September. Oh, this girl. September 2nd, 2025, and then we got September 1st, 2025, and it goes on August 31st. As y'all can see, I don't gotta show too much. Oh no, that only we're good because that only shows the last four. All right, but yeah. Anyways, guys, that's it is that simple now. Business is the way. This is not trading, guys. This is a moving company, guys. This is my moving company. I started in about 2023 in the summertime. So we're generating at least 40K to 50K a month now. We started at 25 and then I found a way to double it, guys. So if you guys need any advice or anything, just give me a text, bro. DM me at Katron Business on Instagram or Real Motivation on Instagram as well. Today's trade though. Hey, should I go over today's trade real quick too first? Or should we do that at the end? Here, let's go over first. So first I checked to see if there was news. No news. Okay. So at first we're rejecting off of here really hard. So I'm like, okay, let it break out this trend line, come back, retest it, and then I'll get in for a buy. So price finally did that. It broke out this trend line with a nice engulfing candle. It broke through the fair value gap. So, and we broke above the zone. So I was pretty confident on this. But price reversed. I got stopped out. Stopped below here. Hey, it happens. Wasn't the best A plus setup. I kind of just wanted to take a trade. It wasn't A plus. This wasn't my main play. I like to take head and shoulders in these key areas of interest. But I was just testing my I'm on a 50K funded account trying to just complete the evaluation right now. So on that one, I just kind of take my 50% chances, and I have good risk management, and that's how I complete these accounts. Very simple. I can teach you guys that as well. And as you can see, I got faked out right here. So once we got this closure below here, I looked on a higher time frame, and I saw that was just a 30-minute retest. As you can see, this never broke structure on the 30-minute. This never ever broke structure on the 30-minute. It still hasn't. We're still in bearish structure. So sell heavy. Once it did that, news was about to come out a little, like in about a couple hours. So I'm like, and we're at the end of the day already. Volume was looking nice. Trade went clean. We hit this trade. We was risking about 1,100. We're on 150K evaluation on Top X. We got about 3K on this trade. Just about perfect stop loss, perfect everything. Everything was perfect on this trade. Fluent. If I lost that trade, I would not take another trade. But really, what I was looking for though, how I really trade, guys, is I wait for it to break through these zones and retest these my higher time frame zones. And that's all I do, and that's how I trade. Or I trade the head and shoulders, like liquidity grabs, fake outs, like that. You could use those at those key areas, but this is not about that. We're talking about moving here. Let's see, moving. Oh, no, I don't want my email to pull up. All right, let's see. If you guys want to see my company, as you can see, I'm watching moving videos right now. You gotta always be learning. What's I about to look up? Instant Movers, right? Okay, Instant Movers LLC. As you can see, we're now covering New York and PA, and we are insured, guys. That's key. Okay, so as you can see, guys, everything looks lovely. The website is nice. This is all you guys need. A nice website, guys. Once you get a nice website, starting off, nice website and labor only, guys. You guys can only run labor only, and without your license. Until you get your license, guys, only labor only, guys. If you know what I'm saying, just you're only operating labor only if anybody asks. Talk to your customers, tell them to get the truck, anything like that. You don't need no equipment, guys. This is very simple. You can go spend at least $40, $50, add a U-Haul, get equipment, get supplies for the day, and go get a return on investment about I said 30,000. What the fuck? About 1,000 to 2,000 per job. So if you guys do the math on that, you pay your buddies, by the hour. If you want to flat rate them, you just starting off, you're being nice. So you just want to work up a little bit, you can flat rate the guys. Okay, but as you can see, This is that easy, guys. This is all I do. I sit at home. I got buddies in a different city. You know, I gave them training courses, modules. I worked with them. You know, they worked with me. I got strong leaders. You need leaders and you need members. So you get 3 strong, solid guys. Those are your solid go-to guys. Those are the guys that work all the time. And then now you have like just guys that come in and out because guys quit this job, guys. It's hard, bro. Moving is hard, bro. This is not meant for everybody, bro. This is why this industry is kind of easy to take over because there's not a lot of people in it because it's hard. And if you can get into a hard industry that nobody wants to be in no more, hey, you can stand out. It's easy access to take over. Nobody wants to do hard shit no more. Everybody wants to just post YouTube videos like this and just, you know, get rich. But hey, that's not the reality. Well, it is for some people, but hey, most likely guru. But as you can see, guys, it's that easy. Moving company. I can teach you. If you guys want me to go over this more in depth breakdown, I can help you start a company step by step, guys. Step by step, I will walk you guys through the company process, starting process, everything from, you know, picking a name to logo to everything. You guys just DM me and we can get this going, you guys. Even trading, guys. As you can see, if you watch my last videos, I receive trading payouts. That's very rare, guys. If you look up the percentage of people that receive trading payouts, very rare. So keep that in mind. I know something. I'm not wearing all big ass jewelry and shit, so it might not look like it, but y'all, this shit ain't no cap. Just like this is just like cash on. You know, I always like to keep some cash with me. But y'all, shit's simple, y'all. So just give me a DM, y'all, and we can definitely work on something. I want to just start teaching people. You guys, I know a lot now, you guys, and I got some pretty good games. I can teach you guys. I can teach you guys I can teach you guys the scenes of moving now, and it feels good. Like I did it. I've been through all the trials and errors, all the mistakes. Not all of them yet. Not really majority of all of them, but you know, most of them, the beginner startups. You know, I made it through that phase. Company is operating now, and you know, I got time to come out here to teach now, bro. And this is amazing. God bless you guys, bro. And if you guys are interested in this, DM me. Comment your Instagram down below. I'll DM you. Yeah, let's get this money, y'all. Peace. And make sure you guys. Sorry, guys, this would not be free, guys. This would not be free. This strategy does work. I'm currently in PA right now. I just moved to PA about 2 to 3 weeks ago, and I already booked 2 jobs in PA. 2 jobs. Company already self-operating up there, tons of jobs a day. I just came to PA about 2 weeks ago, y'all, and I already booked 2 jobs. So I tested that what I do works in different states. So just let me know, guys. This is something we can definitely work on. And y'all FK signing out. Katron Business on Instagram with real motivational videos on Instagram. One of the pages have about 183K. One of my other pages have about 10K. So if you're looking for me, you'll see my face. You'll see my beard and shit, man. Just DM. We out.